All right, I'm going to show you how to meal prep using some surprising sources to make some really low calorie options in the truck and how I store it. So I have to excuse the mess. I just woke up and left. However, this is the haul we got. I got 5 packs of these Bird's Eye Power Blends. I'll use a shadow. These are absolutely tasty and they're super convenient. For those of you that got a microwave in your truck, just toss these in. It was only $2.97 each. One of these is enough to fill me up for a good few hours versus stopping at a truck stop for hot dogs and a drink, which could easily cost like $6, $7 or more dollars, or stopping at the Arby's or the other restaurants they got in there, excuse me, brain fart, and end up spending $16 to $20. I got 4 cans of black beans because, like, in emergency situations when it's been a while and I don't want to cave, I can just eat this right out of the can. I don't get the no salt added. Don't worry about getting organic, you don't need to. I get those, a decent amount of protein and high amount of fiber. That's a big thing. People talk about protein. Protein is extremely important because, I mean, I like to live recreationally, but fiber, I would say it's equally as important. Hey, rotisserie chicken, this is going to be how we're meal prepping in the next segment, so stay tuned, don't click away. I got the tool here that I'm going to be mixing in, and then I ended up putting one of the street corns back. I was working with the budget, so I decided to just chop it down to 1 since each of these was $3.97 to make room for a couple other items. But this is going to be the filler. So next part, I'm going to explain how this is going to go. So basically, I'm going to take this bag, one of these, this entire chicken, oh excuse me, I'm going to strip the meat off of it, and I'm going to use this as a mixing container to use this. Next, oh, forgot to mention, this entire haul cost $31.98. Oh, how times have changed. Hey, to quote Alton Brown, that's the software. Sorry, I've put some of the stuff away, as you can see. Now we're working with the hardware. Foil sheets. Once again, 2 of these containers, because I find that once I open these things up, it's not enough. So there's 2 of them in there. Might even repurpose the lids too. And a single paper plate. Meal prep starting now. I have a way to prop up the camera, so I'm going to glove up and use this to start dismembering the chicken into those containers once I separate them. And then I'm going to mix this bag in there. So jump cut. So I'm going to use one of these and the lids, because some of that gluey adhesive did not want to come off. I don't know if you can see it right there. Lines me like I don't feel safe using this, but you know, whatever. I'll repurpose this somehow. Real quick, this is the entire chopped salad kit. It's 150 calories each, and there's 3.5 servings in each pouch. So I'm going to put the math on screen, and you can see down here there's 1 whole can of black beans. I did not rinse or drain them. Trust me, you're going to want as much liquid in here as possible, because once you chop in the chicken and you wrap everything up, it can get really dry. So don't think you need to drain and rinse them off. You're going to need it. So this is what the end result looks like once you mix everything together. I just mushed it up. You can see the black beans, the street corn, the chicken, the greens that come with it. So there's a good bit of fiber in there and a lot of protein. Next step, wrapping. All right, set up the station, put a tortilla down, put enough to stuff it, and make sure it can still be rolled, and then wrap them up. Each wrap ends up coming out to about 170 to 200 calories with about 15 to upwards of 20 grams of protein per wrap, and just need to make sure to put that in there. And this is the end result. I still had some left over, but ultimately I got these low calorie wraps. I was able to make 8 of them before I ran out. Should have got some more, but ultimately I made these because they're tasty, they're really convenient, and I can just reach into the fridge and grab them and eat them really fast. No prep time, no microwaving. I don't got to go into a truck stop and deal with anything, because convenience is a big factor. So hope that helps. Turn the notification bell on.